In this video, you will learn how to find the Philippine time when you are given the time in another country. This is a continuation of our topic on comparing time in different world time zones to the time in the Philippines using a world time zone map.
The Miss Universe show airs Saturday at 10 p.m. in Ontario, Canada. But can viewers everywhere, for example in the Philippines, watch it at the same time?
Welcome to Math Challengers.
Type your answer in the comments. Do you think the answer is yes or no? Don't worry if you're not sure yet. We'll check your answer after our discussion.
Let's do a quick review. Look at the UTC of each country. Compare it with the Philippines, which is UTC plus 8. Write ahead if the country is ahead of the Philippines. Write behind if it is behind. Number 1. Japan, UTC plus 9. Is it ahead or behind the Philippines? Number 2. Dubai, UTC plus 4. Is it ahead or behind the Philippines? Number 3. London, UTC 0. Is it ahead or behind the Philippines? Number 4. Sydney, UTC plus 10. Is it ahead or behind the Philippines? Number 5. New York, UTC minus 5. Is it ahead or behind the Philippines? Write your answers now. Think, compare, and decide. Let's check our answers. Number 1. Japan is ahead of the Philippines. Number 2. Dubai is behind the Philippines. Number 3. London is behind the Philippines. Number 4. Sydney is ahead of the Philippines. Number 5. New York is behind the Philippines. Did you get it right? Today, we are reversing our previous lesson. Given the time in other countries, we will find the corresponding Philippine time. Let's look at the example on the screen. In Cyprus, the time is 1 p.m. Our question is, what time is it in the Philippines? This is a time zone map of the world. We will use this to find the time zones for the countries in our problem. Notice that the world is divided into vertical sections. Each section is a time zone, and places within the same section share the same time. At the center, we have the 0 line, the starting point of time, also known as Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC. Moving to the right, the numbers become positive, meaning time is getting later. Moving left, numbers become negative, and time is earlier. Each section usually represents a 1-hour difference. Now, let's use the time zone map to answer our first question. What is the time zone of the Philippines? Looking at the map, the Philippines is in UTC plus 8. This map shows the location of Cyprus. Cyprus follows UTC plus 2. Observe the difference between the two time zones carefully. Let's count from plus 2 up to plus 8. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. There is a 6-hour difference. Cyprus is 6 hours behind the Philippines. Since Cyprus is behind the Philippines, we add 6 hours to the given time. Using the number line, let's count forward from 1 p.m. 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Therefore, the correct answer is 7 p.m. in the Philippines. Let's look at example 2. In Winnipeg, Canada, the time is 8 a.m., Tuesday. Our question is, what time is it in the Philippines? Now, let's look at the map. Winnipeg follows UTC minus 6, while the Philippines follows UTC plus 8. Let's count the difference between the two time zones. There is a 14-hour difference. Winnipeg is 14 hours behind the Philippines. Since Winnipeg is behind the Philippines, we add 14 hours to the given time. Let's count forward from 8 a.m. 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Therefore, the correct answer is 10 p.m., Tuesday in the Philippines. Let's look at example 3. In Sydney, Australia, the time is 11 p.m., Tuesday. Our question is, what time is it in the Philippines? Now, let's look at the map of Sydney, Australia. Sydney follows UTC plus 10, while the Philippines follows UTC plus 8. Compare the two time zones carefully. There is a 2-hour difference. Sydney is 2 hours ahead of the Philippines. Since Sydney is ahead of the Philippines, we subtract 2 hours from the given time. 11 p.m., 10 p.m., 9 p.m. Therefore, the correct answer is 9 p.m., Tuesday in the Philippines.
Now it's your turn. Look at each problem carefully. Use your time zone map to guide you. Find the Philippine time based on the given time in each country. Be sure to write your answer with the correct time and day. Take your time and try to complete all 5 items. You may pause the video if you need more time. When you're ready, we'll check your answers together.
Let's check your answers. Number 1. In Japan, the time is 3 p.m. Monday. Japan is 1 hour ahead of the Philippines, so we subtract 1 hour. The Philippine time is 2 p.m. Monday. Number 2. In Dubai, the time is 10 a.m. Tuesday. Dubai is 4 hours behind the Philippines, so we add 4 hours. The Philippine time is 2 p.m. Tuesday. Number 3. In London, the time is 6 p.m. Wednesday. London is 8 hours behind the Philippines, so we add 8 hours. The Philippine time is 2 a.m. Thursday. Number 4. In Sydney, the time is 9 p.m. Thursday. Sydney is 2 hours ahead of the Philippines, so we subtract 2 hours. The Philippine time is 7 p.m. Thursday. Number 5. In New York, the time is 8 p.m. Friday. New York is 13 hours behind the Philippines, so we add 13 hours. The Philippine time is 9 a.m. Saturday. Great job! Keep practicing and you will get even better. How do we find the time in the Philippines given the time in another country? 1. Question. What is the first step we do? Answer. We check the given time in the other country. Example. The time in Japan is 2 p.m. 2. Question. What do we use to find the time difference? Answer. We use a time zone map. Example. Japan is in UTC plus 9, and the Philippines is in UTC plus 8. 3. Question. How do we know if the country is ahead or behind the Philippines? Answer. We compare their time zones using a number line. Example. On the number line, Japan, plus 9, is to the right of the Philippines, plus 8, so it is ahead. 4. Question. What do we do if the country is ahead or behind? Answer. If it is ahead, we subtract the hours. If it is behind, we add the hours. Example. Japan is ahead, so we subtract 1 hour. 5. Question. What is the final step? Answer. We add or subtract the hours to get the Philippine time. Example. 2 p.m. minus 1 hour equals 1 p.m. The time in the Philippines is 1 p.m. Let's go back to our question. The Miss Universe show airs on Saturday at 10 p.m. in Ontario, Canada. Can everybody watch it at the same time? The answer is no. Different countries have different times because of time zones. Ontario, Canada is in UTC-5, while the Philippines is in UTC+8. That means that Ontario is 13 hours behind. So when it is 10 p.m. on Saturday in Ontario, it is already 11 a.m. on Sunday in the Philippines. That is why people in different countries cannot watch it at the same time. They watch the same event, but at different local times. Now, check your answer, whether you wrote it on your paper or typed it in the comments. Did you get it right? Now, let's see how well you did. Read each question carefully and choose the best answer. Think before you answer. You can pause the video anytime if you need more time. Let's summarize what we have learned. The Philippines follows UTC+8. To find the time in the Philippines, first, check the time in the other country. Second, compare the time zones of the Philippines and the given country. Third, if the given country is ahead, subtract the time difference. If the given country is behind, add the time difference. Fourth, write your answer and include the correct time and day. What's next? You will solve problems on comparing the time in different world time zones to the time in the Philippines. Great job today! Keep practicing and keep learning.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.